Hello all, this is Shelly Gardner from Christmas Light Source, and today's project was taking pictures of our multicolored T50 light bulbs. These are LED and they now come in 3 varieties. So you see, this is a traditional faceted T50 bulb. This is what the style of bulb that we've been using for years, selling for years. These are SMD, which is surface mount diodes, and they're 30% brighter than their original generation bulbs. And there we go. They're actually installed right now into a commercial grade cord, and there's the full color spectrum. Now what I also wanted to show you, we've also always offered them, and now we offer them in SMD, are the smooth bulbs. Here they are, ta-da! And you'll see what's really interesting. Instead of a flat or a flat inner surface, they've got these cones. And what's great about the cones is they really project the light. But you see both these, the faceted and these smooth T50s, they're very thick and hard. They're polycarbonate. The color goes all the way through them. The bases, it's real easy to get them in and out of these cords. We have a lot of commercial customers who use them. And voila, there you go. You can see how that cone sort of pulls the light out and distributes it in the entire lens. But what these, I'm going to compare these to, I'll grab an orange one since that was smooth, is, oh wait, I've got a red one and a blue one. Here we go. These are our new filament bulbs, and the way they're a little different, I don't know if you can tell, but they're thinner. The surface, you tell they don't sound the same, and they're flexible. Like, what you can't tell is I'm actually able to barely depress them. They're very thin, whereas these are super thick. These are delicate and thin, and these are the most glass-like of all the bulbs that we've carried. These are new for this season. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that on these commercial cords, the base part of these is a little less narrow than these, and so you have to really give them a good torque. Like, you'll get them to here and you'll go, oh, I'm finished, but you're not, and the bulb's not broken. What you have to do is, it has such a water resistant seal that you literally need to use your grip strength, man, and get that tightened down. So we have the filament bulb. Ooh, let me go ahead. This is blue. Let me go ahead and show you the blue filament. So we have these new T50 filament bulbs, and then we continue. See, there we go. And we also have them in faceted, and we have them in smooth. So that should give you a pretty good idea of what the 3 product families look like. Thank you again for stopping by. I'm Shelly at Christmas Light Source.